Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So how to run already installed Android 8.1 Oreo or similar from Virtualbox Manager. The car version is 6.1. So here are the settings, how to run it, because sometimes you cannot run it. It's just blinking on x86 or x64. So here are the settings. Here you write any name. Here you select Linux, and under it Linux to 636 32 bits or 64 bits depending on the image you have. The system, at least this type of RAM you must add. Processor 3 threads or 2 threads enough. And this you don't need. Video card, whatever you want. Monitor, whatever you want, you can select. You don't need 3D acceleration. Here you select, you click on this and you click to add hard disk and select your VDI image. Then here settings will be automatically, or you can select this or this, for example. Then you click on OK, because here network will be automatically there. There will be a sign of Wi-Fi inside Android, and if this Wi-Fi is on, you will get from your LAN cable from your desktop to Virtualbox internet to use it there. Okay, that's all. Let me show you that it's working. It's not about install, it's about running. Running already made. As you see, it's running. It's an SSD drive on this computer, so it's very fast. If it's not for SSD, you need to wait quite a lot. So glorify the God forever.